Job Ready Cybersecurity Project Part 1. We'll be looking at building a simple network in 3 minutes. Let's go. So I have my packet tracer installed newly and I'm going to sign into my account so I can use the packet tracer. Just sign in, and once you're logged in, this is the network that we will be creating. So we need one router, one switch, and 5 devices to form our network communication. Now I'm going to import our router, which is the Cisco 2911 router rather than the switch and my devices. So this is the communication being made. So the network range that we're going to use is the 192.168.10.0/24, which allows us to bring in 255 devices to this network. Now I need to manually come and configure the IP address for each of the devices. So I'm going to click on IP address and put in 192.168.10.1, sorry, .2. Then on the next device, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, like that and so on. And now I'm going to test if all the devices can communicate with each other. So I'll ping 192.168.10.5 and we're getting a reply from this. That means that they're able to communicate with each other. And so I tested for the rest and it actually worked. Now I'm going to connect the switch and the router together, and you can notice that the router is showing red, which means that the switch can't communicate with the router. So we need to configure the router by bringing in a laptop that we're going to connect to it through a console cable. So the router is what we're going to use to configure the router, and then we're going to open the laptop and click on desktop. Then from desktop we'll click on terminal, and then we'll click on OK. So this is asking us if we want to do config. We'll say no, then we'll type enable on the router console, then configure terminal here. And now to configure the interface to work, we'll say interface gigabit 0/0, and then we're going to give it an IP address which is 10.1. Router always needs to be 10.1, then we'll say no shutdown. And now you can see that the interface turned green. If we open command prompt, we'll say ping 192.168.10.1. We want to see if the devices can reach the router, and it is successful. So our system were able to communicate with each other and the router as well. So the last touch that I'll just do is to rename the router and everything and just design the network. And I love doing this so that I could make it look fine. So this is the end product. Thanks for watching.